For the Bosu side lunge, start standing on the ball with both feet about shoulder width apart. When you're ready, go ahead and step to the side off of the ball onto the ground with one of your feet. If you're going to the right, you're going to step off with your right foot, making sure that you stay evenly over that foot, not leaning too far over with your chest, pushing those hips far out behind you to engage the glutes, and then pushing off the foot on the ground to stand back on top of the Bosu ball and repeat that action on the other side. Remember to keep your core tight and your glutes engaged.